Hello, my name is Athena Zhe, and this is my friend Mallory.
Hello.
I was born and raised in Ukraine, and I came here when I was 14 years old to pursue an American dream. I was always creating stuff since I was a little child. All of the walls were painted, my notepads were painted, everything, everywhere I could paint, I always did. Like there's always doodles and in every single book I was reading. I started by doing face painting, and I was doing it for about a year or two. I'm the type of person that I always like to take it to the next level. It's like, okay, what's next? What's next? You know, I'm already done with face painting, now what? And I went to a face and body art convention in Florida, and I saw that people were doing body painting, and I'm like, oh my God, this is so exciting. It's so much better than just face painting, because now I can do all my art with the body painting as well, and that's how body painting came along. I definitely had my body painted quite a few times, and one of the main reasons why I decided to do that is because I wanted to know what it feels like for the model to be painted, because for me it's very important to make my model feel as comfortable as humanly possible. And in order for me to understand that better, I chose to be on the other end of the brush so I can learn this experience. Initially, when I was exposed to this career, my parents did not support me at all. They wanted me to be a lawyer, a doctor. I'm actually the first person in my family that does not have a college degree. But at the same time, I'm the most successful one out of my whole family. When I pick up a brush, it's almost like I'm getting into my own zone, in my own little world, my comfort zone. Very often my models try to talk to me throughout the process, but it's so hard for me to even keep up a conversation because I'm so focused about what I'm doing, and I'm so inspired that it totally takes me out of this world. It's almost like a drug. I have moments in my life that I get focused on one particular design or color. A few years ago, I got my first car, and everything had to be zebra. Like even my dog was not allowed in the car unless he was dressed up in a zebra outfit. And now, as I purchased my first house, everything in my house is colored teal. Everything. I am a huge fan of Tom Jones. What's new, pussycat? Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my God. Okay, so that's how obsessed I am. For some reason, for some really weird reason, inspires me. When I wake up in the morning and I turn on his music, nothing else matters. What I do for a living, it makes me happy. I feel like I have not worked a day of my life. I feel like America gave me an opportunity to pursue my passion as an artist. And I'm pretty sure I won't be able to succeed in the art field that I'm in if I would be back in Ukraine. It's a great feeling. It's a great feeling to do what you love.